creamy dressing that will make any salad taste absolutely amazing. Or you could use it as a dipping sauce for things like baked potatoes, or even pour it over your boiled pasta. So let's get started. I'm starting off with 1 cup of nuts. Whatever nuts you prefer is fine. I'm using a mixture of blanched almonds and pine nuts today, but cashew nuts would also be very delicious. Next, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of tahini. So this has no added oil. Any oil that is in this is just from the seeds themselves, so it's just ground up sesame paste. I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of white miso paste, some white pepper to taste. I'm using about 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of Bragg's aminos, but you can use soy sauce or tamari. And finally, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. So if you don't have a very powerful blender or you want a creamier mixture, then just let this soak for a while. Pour over the water and let it sit for an hour or 2, then blend it up. Okay, so this is blended for about 2 minutes and it's nice and creamy and delicious, ready to eat. Yum, it smells good. Proof is in the pudding. It tastes so delicious, so creamy, so quick and easy to make, and will make any salad delicious, like I said earlier. Give this a taste test, try it for yourself. The recipe is on my website at CookingWithPlants.com, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. So good.